Hello, my dear ETH traders, hodlers, friends, and welcome to this Ethereum price prediction and technical analysis for November 19th. And let's have a look at what is currently going on. You can still see the nice previous equilibrium range that we had been seeing on the daily here. If we just look at the dump, guys, that happened yesterday, I just want to show you this huge wick, okay, that happened with ETH while Grandpa Bitcoin was hugely dumping. So, very important, Ethereum is currently stronger, okay? Ethereum is stronger. How can we see this? We can see this in the direct correlation. Let's just go to the weekly chart and let me show you what is going on here. If you look at this, we have beautiful basically two U-turns here right now. Like we have two cups. Okay, we can see one bigger cup, we can see a second smaller cup. Let's actually put a nice neckline in here. Okay, what I would like to see, okay, this is the optimal case. What I would like to see would be something like that. Okay, something like this, and then coming back here, and then doing this. Okay, there you go. So this is let's make this a little bit lower, but this is the potential. If we reject from here and come above here, and then we could break above. Why is this important? Okay, this is important because this is the direct correlation from Ethereum to Bitcoin. So if ETH can break above this, don't forget we will still have the crucial 0.025 BTC. This is going to be the previous bottom that we had broken. So we have been consolidating here for a huge amount of time. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 major bounces before the break came. But obviously the ETH bulls are coming back here. They want to press above. So it's going to be crucial. Okay, if we can break this above, because if we cannot do that, then of course ETH will basically stay neutral up to weaker against Bitcoin. So this is going to be crucial. We see this strength basically translating also to the weekly chart. Look at this. So here we are dumping. Okay, no question about it. Dump, boop, 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 dump. Okay, a little bit try, no dump. But here already we were bouncing off from the 170, 180 region. This was the previous. Okay, when we previously had dumped last winter, and we came back and shot above to up to 360. This was the region where we basically built our resistance zone. As you can see, it goes from 160 up to the basically 180 200 region. So this is where ETH eventually broke through, and now this is where we are coming back, basically building this sort of veggie. And then now look at this. Like here it was veggie, we broke above, but now completely lying down, and ETH doesn't want to break underneath. That's why I also said in our group when we were trading that I'm going to be looking at LTC, BCH, EOS. Those were the three that I played on the recent down break. So we can see ETH was not a good candidate. But on the upside, I was looking at ETH, okay? So very important. And this is still the case, okay? So we have slightly broken underneath here. Okay, we have still uphold this week. So we haven't seen that one, you see? That was the arrow that I put in earlier, so we didn't see the dump. This is very, very strong for ETH that we are not dumping, because anytime BTC now sees a bounce here, okay, BTC sees a bounce like on the daily, as we have just looked, like on the weekly, we do this sort of U-turn, then obviously ETH will be much nearer, okay? ETH will be much nearer to the 190 neckline here, okay? And then of course we will see, if BTC breaks out, we will also see a breakout coming here to the upside. So this is the case. Since the bears are not seeing follow through, anytime we come back into this equilibrium range, we'll be very, very bullish for ETH. Having said that, okay, don't forget, I just said it in the Bitcoin video. If you haven't seen it, Bybit is launching this competition. It is awesome. Why? It is 100 BTC prize pool. Okay, so it's literally laddered. The top teams are getting 30 BTC, 20 BTC, even up to the place 10, like the 10 biggest ones. And the amazing thing is there are maybe 20 teams, like, legitly participating there. The rest of them are complete moon boys, like complete, you know, like you can't take it seriously. But yeah, it depends on the amount of people who join, because the more people you have inside the group, the higher the probability that your ranking inside the team is higher. That's how they calculate it. So it's the competition is going on for 3 weeks, and at the end of those 3 weeks, the teams with the 10 best traders, like with the profit and loss, okay, and don't worry, it's like not visible, it's just like your nickname, okay. The teams with the 10 best traders, they will basically win. Okay, they will win the competition. It's just amazing because the prize pool is huge. So if you have been watching my stuff, this is the time to show the Moon Boys how trading works. What are you waiting for? And it's just great. It's a great experience to also get to know each other, uh, and trade based off on the same strategies. Like look at, okay, what are we gonna do here? What are we gonna do there? Uh, Trade based off on money and risk management, and yeah, like show them how to do this correctly. And we have nothing to lose, we have only to gain. And it's very, very cool. So very welcomed to join me. The link is in my description. Click on that, come to my page, register. You need at least 0.05 BTC. I guess right now it's like, as you can see, it's like $400 of funds to participate. Otherwise, it doesn't count. So 0.05 BTC, and that's the minimum. And yeah, then we can basically trade together. It starts, I guess, next week, sometime next week. But definitely make sure to register immediately. The registration just goes on for a couple of days now. Okay, so that's it. That's how ETH is looking like. Um, so if for the case we break bullish here, it's definitely the candidate. I'm also, as you can see, I still have my alarm clock set here. I'm gonna be watching ETH. That's it, my dear friends. Wish you beautiful rest of the week. If you had some value, smash the like button, comment it, okay? So the algorithm also counts that. And we will see each other on the next Ethereum analysis. I say adios, amigos, no matter where you are on this planet. See you.